At an airport, a person is made to walk through the doorway of metal detector for security reasons. If she or he is carrying anything made of metal, the detector emits a sound. On what principle does this detector work? Yes, the principle of metal detector is electromagnetic induction. How is it? That is, detector has a coil which carries alternating current. This produces changing magnetic field. Now, if the person carries a metal object, the changing magnetic field induces currents, that is eddy current in the metal. These eddy currents produces their own magnetic field. This new magnetic field interacts with the detector coil. This causes a change in the current or voltage in the circuit. So, the device detects this change in terms of alarm. Alarm is produced.